To develop critical and creative thinking, forced fitting is a fun activity. Rather than just an activity, I would call it an intervention aimed at helping participants learn a great way to control their thinking process, that too with an immediate result. Our brain does three things: think, want, and feel. Our thinking controls our emotions and decisions. But the biggest question is, who controls our thinking? Is it possible for ourselves to control our thinking all the time? Let's understand how our brain works. Imagine you're riding an elephant using reins to guide it, but the elephant suddenly gets spooked and starts charging forward on its own, ignoring the reins completely. Despite your commands, the elephant walks wherever it wants. You have a brain that is as powerful as an elephant. Most of the time, the rational, cognitive part of your brain is in control. But when a perceived threat, new questions, or ideas emerges, the limbic system takes charge and gallops around wherever it wants. Your brain is no longer under your control. Your focus and interest are lost as you are diverted. With this activity, we can learn how to control our brain. As a first step, I asked participants to count the different number of uses of a given object with their fingers. To illustrate, I asked participants to think of 10 ways a brick can be used. The first person to get 10 uses wins. Once you include brick as the material for constructing a house, you cannot count it again for similar uses, such as building offices or boundary wall. I have not seen students getting a 10 easily in my experience. If you want, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Following a little discussion, I present the forced fitting method. To do this, I ask them to play the game again with some changes. I now give them a random word, which they have to associate with the object to identify multiple uses easily. I just share what comes to my mind without knowing if it is of any use to anyone. If they can think of a particular use, they fold their fingers like this to count. Let's watch the sample video. All your 10 fingers should be up like this. I'll give you one object. You need to start thinking of the uses of that object. So the moment you are able to think one use, fold one finger. And let's see who's the guy who gets 10 uses fastest. You need to give me 10 uses of brick. जैसे ही तुम्हारे दिमाग में आते जाए, फोल्ड करते जाओ. रिपीट नहीं करना है uses. Okay? It's like अगर मैंने for example अगर wall बोल दिया है, तो घर बनाना, ऑफिस बनाना, these all are same. So start counting uses of brick. It should be very different and overlap नहीं होना चाहिए. So I'm giving you another 10-15 seconds. Nobody got 10 right now. Not yet, not yet. Okay. So if you are done, if you can't think of any more ideas, just remember the number of counts. Can anyone tell me what was happening? How were you thinking? How are you coming up with ideas?
So first by like drawing on our previous experiences about the knowledge of the brain.
Yeah.
And then by divergent thinking, like we were focusing on the properties of the brick and what else it's used. Like we were trying to like branch out our ideas by thinking about what else bricks can be used for in a way.
Okay.
Like thinking about the properties and their like what properties it has, like for example insulation.
Okay, understood. Good then. How many were you able to get, Shambhavi?
So 4.
4. Okay, good. Chalo, anything else, guys?
एंड सर रिप्लेसिंग जो चीजें दूसरी चीजें काम कर देती हैं, क्या वो ब्रेक कर सकती है या नहीं?
Okay, चलो good. Let's start doing it again. Yes, I'll help you out in thinking process. How to control your thinking. Yes, how can you channelize, and at the end of the day you can proudly say that I was controlling my thought process. Okay, let's try to do it again. Keep your fingers ahead. I'll give you the word, link it with brick, and see if you can identify uses. Okay. So brick plus home. Can you get one use from it? 1, 2 use. Okay. Brick plus kitchen. I'm in the farm. Can I use it for my kitchen purpose? Okay. So brick plus my cricket ground. I'm trying to play cricket. Yes. Brick plus my daughter's art and craft class. Okay. So brick plus my football ground. Okay. Brick plus my office door. Brick plus my office table. Brick plus my body. Can I use brick directly with my body? Brick plus some fight going on. Yes. Brick plus my wall, my decor wall. Yes. Brick plus my books. A lot of you were able to get 10 uses, I believe. Yes, before you have taken a lot of time, but still you are not able to come up with ideas. And now, just with the guided approach, I have not given you the answers. The answers you only predicted, yes or no. And you got the answers, 10 uses, with just controlling your thought with some bit of focus in, I would say, like less than a minute. Yes. So what was the difference in the process?
Sir, if I may.
Yeah.
Sir, earlier our mind was going everywhere at once.
Okay. Yes.
But after you said a word after brick, you were thinking about that only, not going anywhere else.
Yeah. So earlier you were not controlling your brain, but now you are controlling your thought process. Okay, no, I am the master of this elephant brain. You need to go this way only. Yes. Okay. Good, Raghavendra. Okay. Anyone else, guys?
Sir, earlier we were focusing on brick alone. Now we were collaborating it with something else, and we came up with many more ideas.
Okay. Good. Don't you see a similarity between this, Sarthak? Earlier you were focusing on your mentor alone. Now, when I gave you some tips and tricks, you started focusing on your gym alumni also. Yes, your mentor plus gym alumni, your mentor plus his work, your mentor plus his family. Earlier, what was your thought process? You and your project. Guys, when you are there now and your world is there, you can't conquer. I'm giving you 100% guarantee you can't conquer. Fair enough. It's a very basic way of understanding and creating ideas. मेरा mentor ऐसा ही है. उनको उसको influence करना है तो my boss plus my alumni. कैसे मैं अपने alumni के through boss को influence कर पाऊँ? Yes, my mentor plus his boss. कैसे मैं उसके बॉस को इन्फ्लुएंस कर लूं ताकि वो मेरे बॉस को बोले कि अरे वो इंटर्न तो बहुत सही लग रहा था यार, कल वो बैठा था मेरे साथ एक मीटिंग में. Got the point? What I'm trying to say? Yes. So this is what this whole discussion is, guys. With this activity, I just wanted to initiate your thought process. What's in the bucket today?
The participants were amazed at the immediate result of the activity. By thinking this way, participants learn to control their thoughts. In the normal course of our thinking, we randomly recall images, experiences, and let our elephant-like brain run wild. It searches for the past experiences without any systematic order. In the second way of thinking, we introduced not only a direction for the search process but also a problem-solving methodology. When given a location or event, we controlled our minds to find some connections with it, perhaps with some of the problems we have seen previously. If the problem was solved using the given object, then we have the answer. Otherwise, we can see if the object can be creatively used to help solve some part of the problem. Like pen and car. It might be useful for getting rid of leaves stuck in the bonnet below the wiper area, or to hold the broken AC vent to keep it from falling. Through this process, critical thinking and creative thinking were encouraged to play a crucial role in thinking. The world of creativity involves looking at things from a different perspective. Participants are forced to think differently when they connect different words to form sense. Try this activity with your audience and help them learn how to control their thinking. It can be used for brainstorming or idea generation sessions. Do check out the YouTube channel for more of such icebreakers and energizers video. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best. Let's enable the work environment to be more capable and compassionate. Thank you.